This is the interface of our source code. In this, we can see four modules: get weather forecast, locate, complete weather map, and web dashboard. These are some of the features we have added in our application. Now, I am taking London as a city. I am clicking on get weather forecast. This will show the temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfalls in plots. And it will show the temperature, humidity, and wind speed of the particular city for future 5 days. Now, the same matter in plots, it will show in numeric manner and it will also show the rainfall. If there is no rainfall, it will show no rainfall in the bottom and it will show the current time of that particular city according to Greenwich Meridian. Now I'm clicking on locate button. This is our HTML map. We have generated map with the help of HTML code. And if we want to see the complete weather map, it is the complete weather map of the world. The cities which are in red color is said to be in the danger zone because the temperature of the city is so high, but the cities which are in yellow color are in good zone because the temperature of the city is good. This is a web dashboard. This web dashboard is a website which is created by us. In this web dashboard, it shows the weather report in a pie chart manner along with the map and it provides some suggestions in order to reduce the urban heat of the particular place. We are taking Chennai as an example. So it shows the weather report in a pie chart manner as you can see the above pie chart and it shows the current location of the Chennai in the map and these are some of the suggestions which are used to reduce the urban heat in Chennai. Our app is user friendly. Anyone can easily access our app and it can be easily understand to everyone. The main motto of our app is to create awareness among the people, reduce the urban heat from the world. Thanks for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.